If you want to hide apps on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all you need to go to the security app, which is an app that is pre-installed on your device, so you should be able to find it in the home screen or in the app drawer. Then over here you will need to either find the option to hide apps in common features, but most likely you will need to scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox, and then over here in privacy protection you should have the option to hide apps. So you want to select this option, and now you can select which apps should be hidden. So let's say I'm gonna hide WhatsApp. Over here you also have the instruction how to find those hidden apps, so I'm gonna show you in a second. You will need to simply spread two fingers apart on the home screen. So let's press got it, and let's also hide Facebook, because why not? So now if you go back, you will try to find, of course, WhatsApp in the app drawer, then you won't be able to find it because, well, at least I won't be able to find it because I have hidden that. I have my other WhatsApp app over here because this is a clone, of course. Facebook is also gone, just like I selected. So now in order to access those apps, I need to spread two fingers like this. And as you can see, we have access to those hidden apps. I can tap on it in order to open the app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!